You guys know I'm obsessed with the future. So, when everyone started buzzing about AI and digital marketing, I had to jump in headfirst, 100 hours. That's how long I spent using AI tools for everything from writing social media posts to analyzing marketing data. Was it scary? Absolutely. Was it worth it? Double absolutely. Let me break it down for you. This wasn't about jumping on a trend. This was about understanding how this tech can bring real value to entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone trying to win in the digital age. And let me tell you, the potential here is mind-blowing. First off, AI is crazy efficient. Imagine writing a day's worth of social media posts in minutes. That's what AI can do. It's like having a team of copywriters working 24/7. But it's not just about speed. AI is a data crunching machine. It can analyze your audience, identify trends, and personalize your marketing campaigns with laser focus. The insights I got from these tools were insane. I was able to understand my audience on a whole new level. This is game-changing stuff, folks. Now, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. There were definitely some oh crap moments. Like the time an AI tool wrote a social media post that was so off-brand I almost choked on my coffee. That's when it hit me. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and intuition. You gotta know when to take the wheel and when to let the AI do its thing. It's about finding that balance. Another challenge? The learning curve. Some of these AI tools can be pretty complex. Be prepared to invest some time and energy into figuring them out. So, what's the bottom line? AI is here to stay, and it's going to transform the way we do marketing. My advice, don't be afraid to experiment. Start small, test different tools, and see what works for you. But most importantly, don't lose sight of the human element. At the end of the day, people connect with people. Use AI to amplify your message, but never forget the power of genuine human connection. That's what will set you apart in this crazy digital world. You guys